Hey you guys, my name is Briana. I decided to start a YouTube channel. I love doing nails. I just started doing nails, so I'm not a professional or anything like that, but I bought this Amazon kit. It's called Beetles. I bought the nail polish kit and I wanted to do a video on it and record, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. I did get these full cover tips on Amazon as well. They're amazing. They have lasted me probably like 3 weeks most. I'm going to be using this base gel. I also have a matte gel and a top gel, like a regular top gel. And here's the box. Here's what it looks like. It's really pretty. I paid, I believe, $26 for it, and it came with so many colors, so I really do enjoy it. And I'm going to be using this color today. It's 607 and it's just this really pretty lavender purple. And I was going to use this glitter polish for this finger right here, but I end up changing it later on. And here's some stones. I didn't end up using them either. I did something else different at the end. So yeah guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It is my first video, so sorry if it's not in good quality, but I'm gonna stop rambling and I'm gonna let you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video if you guys want to see more nail videos. This was just a freestyle. There's no inspo or anything like that, so just the top of my head. Anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go. Please let me know if you'd like to see more videos like these where I buy Amazon products and try them out, and I'll also be doing future giveaways, so please subscribe. And thank you guys. Have a good one. Bye.